Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to send or receive Apple Pay cash via iMessage on iPhone. Just note, first thing, you must first set up Apple Pay cash. Go to settings on your iPhone, then wallet and Apple Pay. Tap add credit or debit card, then follow the on-screen instructions. After your card is verified, toggle Apple Pay cash on. You need an iPhone 6 or newer, Apple Watch, Apple ID, debit card, credit card, or available only in the USA. First thing first, open Messages and select a conversation. Tap the App Store icon, then in the drawer, select the Apple Pay icon. Tap the $sign and enter the amount. Choose whether to send or request, and a preview will appear. Just tap Send. Authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID if sending money, and done. The money will be sent or requested instantly. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.